everyone, this is Oliver, and in this video, I will show you how you can easily make money trading in the world of binary options. I will show you my proprietary strategy, which I developed over many years and dedicated to trading. I will also teach you to understand the market and explain the basics of technical analysis, which greatly helps in making profitable trades. But before I start, please give this video a like, kindly subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss my new videos. I also want to remind you about my open Telegram channel. The link to it is under this video. Joining it is completely free, and there you will find daily trading signals, gigabytes of information about trading, and new strategies. Now, let's move on to trading. Today, my investment amount is $35, the expiration time is 1 minute, and the candle time frame is 30 seconds. And 5 new currency pairs with excellent profitability, as well as the RSI indicator, which will help me make profitable trades. Ready? Let's go! On this currency pair, I am investing in an upward movement. 2 factors indicate this. First, the 30 mark has been reached on my indicator line. Secondly, at the top of the chart, each of you can notice the resistance line. Considering my entry point, you need to invest upwards. The first profitable investment from Oliver. Watch this video until the end to find out how much I was able to earn in this trading session. In the meantime, I invite you to the next currency pair. Euro and US dollar, my absolute favorite currency pair. Here, I definitely invest in the rise. From the very beginning of the chart, we see how the channel movement with an upward trend led the candles to a historical high, only to reverse down to a historical low. Forming a new reversal, the channel movement began. Considering the entry point at the bottom of the pattern, I invest upwards. Another benefit from Oliver. Join my private Telegram channel to learn how to trade like me. There, I provide profitable and free trading sessions from Monday to Friday every day, as well as gigabytes of information about the world of trading. I am waiting for everyone. Now, let's move on to the next investment. For this currency pair, I am investing in a decline because the trend has reversed from our historical low, and we are once again observing channel movement, but it is subject to consolidation. In any case, despite weak trades, considering the entry point at the top of the pattern, I invest downwards. The third profit is simply incredible. $245 on my deposit in just 3 minutes. Keep watching to find out how much I was able to earn. Let's move on. Here, I'm investing in an upward trend because the indicator shows that the trend is just gaining strength and the curve is still aiming for the 70 mark. Moreover, the trend has just reversed and I expect the upward trend to continue. Another tip from Oliver, my subscribers, to understand the features of technical analysis and to be able to read the market like I do, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And I invite you to my next investment. The situation is quite interesting. In our new period, I see a resistance line forming. And of course, I noticed that the candle has traveled a long way and reached the new line. Considering the perfect entry point, I invest in a downward trend. just incredible. Almost $1,000 in my account. I started with just 35 US dollars, but this is only far from the end. I have prepared a super profitable investment for you. Let's move on. Returning to the beautiful currency pair of the British pound and the Australian dollar, the situation has changed, but there is no direction for the candles. Channel movements as a resistance line are now behind us. The maximum has been broken, and the strength of the upward trend is increasing. That's why I am investing in the rise. The sixth profitable investment, my dear traders. I earned 1741.44 US dollars in just 10 minutes on binary options, trading with my own strategy. I hope you like how I make videos. So, support this video with a like, and I'll get going to make brand new videos for you. Bye bye everyone.